Hello everyone, welcome back. Right, this is going to be a very quick video because it's on the same line as the other ones that I've done with regards to the Linda McCartney burgers that we had, which were delicious by the way. Now these are Linda McCartney vegetarian meatballs. Now any of you out there that are umming and ahhing about vegetarian food, what's it like? I mean I'm not a vegetarian, but I do like a lot of vegetarian and vegan food. But I can honestly tell you that these, well, they taste exactly like meatballs, ordinary meatballs. Yeah, I think they're the nearest thing you're ever going to get. So I thought, right, got these, let's stick them in the air fryer and see what happens. So we're all ready to go. I'll get them in there and put them on. Okay, so there we go, all in the air fryer. Now this is straight from the freezer. So I haven't defrosted these or anything like that. And also with the air fryer, I'm not preheating it. This is straight in from the freezer in the air fryer. Okay, right, let's go for, right, so air fry, 200, I'm going to keep it at that because it just gives it a nice bit of heat to start off with. And let's start these off at 10 and see what happens. Okay, see you in 10. Okay, right, we're about halfway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these out and just give them a bit of a shake up and see how we're getting on. So that's had, well, just under 5 minutes, and as you can see, they're really looking the part. They don't take long at all. You can hear them sort of bubbling away. If you hear that noise in the background, I'm actually doing some spaghetti as well to put these on, so I think they're looking really good. Let's put these back in for the remaining 5 minutes. Okay, as I say, I'm just giving these a try, so it's just little quick videos to show you, any of you sort of umming and ahhing about an air fryer or just wondering what you can put in them. Incidentally, if you've got any ideas or things you want me to try, just leave a comment down below, and if I can, I'll give it a go if it goes in the air fryer. Okay, as you can see, they're looking really good in there. We've got 3 minutes to go. Incidentally, just for any of you interested, I don't know if it's just something to do with the filtration on this, but you don't get a lot of the cooking smells. Things that we've actually cooked in the air fryer, I don't know if people cook things in the oven or on the hob, you don't get a lot of the cooking smells. It doesn't sort of hang about and linger. So that's one other benefit of it as well, so something to think about. Okay. And there we go. Very nice. They are done. I don't know if it picks up on this, but you can definitely hear them. They're sizzling away. So yeah, there we go. Linda McCartney meatballs. 10 minutes. Yeah, enjoy. There we go. The finished article.